Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are at the grave of Sheikhul Alam, also known by the name Sheikh Nuruddin Noorani, and by the title Alamdar Mulk Kashmir. He was a Kashmiri Sufi saint, a mystic poet, and Islamic preacher. Nud Rishi was among the founders of Sufi tradition in the region. He taught the principles of truthfulness, justice, love, and service of mankind. So by his saintly life, and he set an example of simplicity, truthfulness, and devoted service of people. He taught the value of humility and honesty to the people. His followers came to be known as rishis. Baba Bahmuddin, Baba Zamuddin, Baba Nasiruddin, and Baba Payamuddin were the rishis of the Rishayat movement. He not only limited it to the men, only he extended it the movement also. Thank you.